welcome back. I've got a flame design for you this time. First off, coming in with fairy cake on the little finger.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Now for the ring finger and the forefinger, the pointer, I'm going to be using Bubbalicious as a whole cover for a base, and then I'm putting the flame stickers on top and then encapsulating them. So they're just going to be plain full colour ready for the flame stickers. Like, how popular is Bubbalicious this year? My god, it's been insane.
Jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to.
And then in on the heavily stained middle finger, I believe it's an ombre that I'm doing. So it's Bubbalicious at the bottom half, and then I'm doing like a glitter trail ombre with the fairy cakes over the top. And I'm just going to leave the Bubbalicious part of it to dry a little bit before I come in with the glitter to do that ombre part. Again, the pointer finger is a full coverage of Bubbalicious ready for flames. Now the middle finger is dry enough for me to come in with fairy cake and finish off the ombre. For the first flame nail, I've picked, it looked, on the paper it looked like a unicorn kind of colour. I thought it was ideal to kind of go with the colours that was there. Can never go wrong with a unicorn pigment, right? So I thought the same for the flame sticker. And it actually worked out a lot better than I thought, because it kind of had the same rose gold kick in it as well, in different lights, so I was pretty chuffed at picking the right one. So all I've done is just peel it off with my tweezers, place it on the nail, and then press it all down. And then here I'm coming in on the pointer, and I'm doing a little flame from the top, and then I find another little flame one, and I do that from the bottom up. Oh my gosh, look how trashed my own nails are. Is it just me that never has time for her own stuff? Or do you guys kind of like make time? Because I just have none. In between nails, 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 nails all week long, and lashes, and 3 kids. Oh my gosh. I'm just coming in and I'm capping all 10 nails in clear. This is, as well as being able to build up any apex and make sure that I've got the right structure, I also like to encapsulate any stickers or decals or anything like that, just to make sure that they can't peel off. I mean, if they're trapped in between acrylic, they ain't going nowhere, you know? On this one, I got a little bit overexcited, right? I put this little blob on here and it changed the colour and I could see like rose gold. I was like, oh my god, it looks so cool! Oh, come on, Leah. Like, how far out of camera shot can you possibly get? God, I'm sorry, guys. I'm still getting used to this like staying in one position thing. And don't forget, these are my real clients, so I'm holding like a full conversation at the same time of concentrating where I am in the camera, making sure that it's all going on right, and that I can actually see the nail with my phone sat right in front of my face. The pressure. Then after doing all of my finished filing and shaping, I've left this in one for you naggy people that keep complaining that you want to see the top coat go on. So this is just for you and in real time. But I know I share the feeling too, like when the top coat goes on, especially over glitter. See how I'm playing with the finger, it's like, oh, pop and sparkle, oh. Like I've never seen glitter before in my life, you know, for 8 years, every day, all day. Oh, just look how cool those flames look. If you do not have fairy cake in your life, go buy it now because it is flipping awesome. And don't forget, Leah 5 for a discount. So, as always, my beauties, thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Tap the bell for a notification. Any comments, let me know, drop them below, any ideas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!